Hello, my name is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'm going to be taking around this Audi approved used vehicle. So the vehicle featured today is this approved used Audi Q5 Black Edition 40 TDI Quattro. Now, this particular example is finished in the optional ultra blue metallic paintwork, which really give this vehicle that standout appearance. Now, as you look towards the key features, and with this being the Black Edition model, this means the vehicle benefits from the additional Black Edition styling, such as the rear, front apron and also the side skirts. You do get the black window surrounds, black roof rails and black badging. Moving on now to the exterior key features, we do find these fantastic LED headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving down towards the alloy wheels now, we do find these exceptional 20-inch Black Edition specific 5-segment spoke alloys, part of the Audi Sport range. They do really complement that blue paint. To the side of the Q5 there is also the rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants from view, thus continuing this overall black and blue theme. This Q5 is also equipped with the optional tow bar, which is electronically adjustable from the button just inside the boot. Moving into the rear boot space now, we do find up to 520 litres of storage capacity. To say a large amount for an SUV of this size, and this can easily accommodate 2 larger suitcases as well as a few additional shopping bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a half leather interior with the additional Alcantara effect in the centre. As well as this, there is a leather centre armrest which is fold down for added comfort, and there are Isofix points neatly located across the back row, where there's also a smaller climate control with rear ventilation. As well as this, you can easily accommodate 3 occupants in the rear. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, Alcantara, gloss black and aluminium. With this being the Black Edition model, again you do get these 2-tone leather seats which do have the white stitching as well as the S logos. Above that there is the virtual cockpit, in which is featured the central Audi Sports Rev counter, which can also be adjusted. Besides this virtual cockpit can access navigation as well as telephone connectivity. Now to the centre of the dashboard we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which in this case does feature the satellite navigation and does also allow access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive digital dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable. On either side of this there is the heated seat functionalities for both front occupants. To the screen above once again there is the rear camera as well as the front and rear sensors, making this vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So this vehicle does come with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance. For more information or to book a test drive, do give us a call now on 01785 899 417.